All right, now let's continue, guys. So the first thing is let's first fix our error in the profile screen. So let's minimize this, come back to our application. We need to go to profile. So let's go to the profile screen, which is here. So let's minimize the emulator. Then we look for where our buttons are. So here in this intrinsic height, we have the button for shared, the button for following, the button for followers. So to fix this overflow, we need to wrap these into an expanded widget. Same thing we did in our post widget. So let's again wrap this one also into an expanded widget. We come to the next one. Let's wrap into the expanded widget like that. So now let's pick our real device and then let's restart the application. The application has started. Let's go straight to our profile. We can see that the error is gone. So that's it on the error of the profile. So now we can go ahead and minimize our real device. Let's work with the emulator. Let's bring it up here. Then let's change here to back to our emulator. So let's continue now. So we can come out of profile screen, and then what we need to change now is that loading. So that loading, we just need to center our progress secular indicator. So let's look for the post widget. It's right here, and then where we're loading here is our cache network image, and then here is our progress indicator. First of all, let's again give it a color, which will be our accent color, colors.orange accent, and then we simply need to wrap it inside the center widget. That's all. So let's put the const modifier here and then remove it inside here. That's all we need to do to move the progress indicator in the middle. So this is done, and then now next, last time we were entering the comments, and then we got the numbers of the comments in our database. So maybe let's change a few things in here. In our message widget, where's our message widget? We know that this side we don't even need to put the name here, because our messages, if we are sender, it will always be on the right. Here is where we need different names. So let's remove this. Let's just improve this a bit. So if we are the sender up here, let's remove this first child. I don't think we need this. Let's remove this, or we can comment it. Maybe you guys might want to have it. So let's restart the application. So the application has started. Let's go back and see. Okay, so our messages are just our messages. We don't need the name. And then maybe also the padding this side, it's too much. We have 30. Let's change this to 10. Let's hot restart. If we come back here, let's get inside here. Okay, that is fine. Yeah, that's fine. Now if we get inside here, okay, looks like the comments widget is now looks better. Maybe this side also, let's keep it all black. Where is the name? Let's give this a black color. Hot restart. Okay, so that's it. So you guys, maybe you can change the colors if you'd like, but I'll just leave it like this. So we are done with the comments widget. Let's come out from here. If we want, we can test it in the dark theme. Let's come out from here, and now let's display the true number of the comments here. So for that, let's come out of the comment widget. We want to display this in a post widget. So let's come here, and then here, this is where we are showing these two widgets, the likes and comments. So let's create a separate class for this. So let's try it. If we can refactor this, we highlight this row, right click, and then come here on a refactor, and then let's extract the Flutter widget. Okay, we can extract this. So let's call this as a build like and comment refactor. So we are passing a color and a post data, but we don't really need to pass a color. We can just call the color inside here. So let's remove this. Let's just pass the comment data, the post data. So let's remove the color even from here. Let's remove the color even from here. And then for the post data, let's pass it as dynamic, like that. And then the color, we can just initialize it inside here. So let's go back here and just copy this. Actually, we need to cut this. Looks like we don't need it. I'm not using it inside here. Okay, let's go back and let's copy. We can remove the color from here. Then these, let's paste them here. Okay, so for the likes, that's not what we are looking for. For now, we want to read the comments. So the comments is actually simple. Here we are going to read the post data at a field called constants dot comments. This we are going to change it to string. That's all we have to do. So let's restart the application again. The application has started. Let's go to our posts. Now you can see that we are reading the correct comments, the number of comments. If we get inside here, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's the number that we are displaying here. So we need to do more things here. We don't want, when we have 0 comments, we don't want to show that 0. For example, if we have 0 here, we don't want to show the 0. Let's say, for example, another user uploads, shares something. Let's see if this user has or this hasn't generated anything. Let's share the other image. Let's share this. If we click here, and then if we share, successfully shared, and then when we come back here, we see that we are showing the 0. We don't want to show this. So let's minimize this, move this. So to hide this 0 here, we need to have a check here. So for that, first let's copy this, And then up here, let's get the, we can name it as a number variable, number of comments, which will be equals to this. Okay, so now here we will have a check. If number of comments is equal to, let's put it in the string, if number of comments is equal to 0, we are going to show an empty string, meaning we'll show the blank here. In the else, we are going to show the number of comments, like that. So let's hot restart. Okay, so in case of 0, we are not showing anything, and then when we have a number, we are showing the number of comments. Okay, so that's how we read the number of comments, guys. And then if we get inside here, let's have someone else comment this. If we open our real device, where is our real device? We come to the posts. Okay, so did we did not refresh this when we corrected that for the center, so it's corrected, don't mind that. So here we are reading 20 because we did not install the new application here. So let's go on ahead, choose our real device, and then let's start the application. Okay, it has started. Let's go back. Now we are reading the correct data, and I hope you've seen that the progress dialog is also in the middle. So now if we get inside here, we send a comment. Okay, now as you can see, it has counted here that there is one comment. So all our methods are working. That's how we get the counts of the comments. Thank you, guys. And then in the next video, we are going to work on the likes. So let's remove our real device. We can move this here. Let's end this video right now. And guys, I would like to remind you, would appreciate if you would leave a review on this course. Please have some time to leave a review. Thank you so much for joining this course once again.